the human has developed in close combination and dialogue with technology. So we've always been cyborgs in a certain sense. To a certain extent, I disagree with the way Drexler characterizes nanotechnology. Really what he's describing is a very mechanical universe, right? He's talking about a universe of machines where we make tools that make other kinds of tools, and these sort of tools self-assemble into other forms of machines. It's basically thinking of trying to apply this machine concept to nature and to human being and so forth. And he talks about medicine and everything. Now, to me, the really interesting thing about nanotechnology is that one of the interesting developments that's going on is to, and he mentioned that the most precise machine we know is the ribosome inside the cell. It is a kind of machine that makes very precise products, proteins, and the molecules that organize the body. So this is a kind of example where, in order to make these machines that are being described, people are harnessing biological machines. They're harnessing the machines of the cell in order to make these things work, to create self-assembly, to create very precise atomic level kinds of organization. So essentially what's happening there is we are sort of harnessing biology and turning that into a machine. So we used to have this machine, this nature, culture, nature, human, nature, animal, human-animal kind of divide. And what's happening is that's being obliterated. There is no difference. And it used to be that, well, we used to think about nature as if it were a machine. And we would use analogies of, well, machines work this way, and we can use those as models to understand how cells and other things work. But what's going on with nanotechnology is a much bolder and a much more, transformative process, it seems to me, which is to think nature as already a machine. And that we, in order to improve the failings in the machines that we can make, those metallic ones he's talking about, we just need to harness the tools of biology. That's one of the kinds of things that is going on that I think is most interesting, to get back to your original question about the human-machine hybrid.